My dear viewers, that's what you can achieve when you follow my instruction in these two video parts. So that's the result you can get if you follow me on this way. You know, there are many ways that lead to Rome, and I show you only one way. Of course, there are more ways to restore vintage Barbie dolls in our repair cafe, but this is only one way to do it. There are more ways. Maybe I do another video when you are interested in other ways. And now let's start. Let's see how we get to this. I'm Busybee from Germany. Man, we managed it. We degreened the ears, but how does it go on now? Now we have the dolls degreened, but how do we restyle the hairdo? And today I would like to show you at least one way how to restyle the hair. You know, that's where we stopped the last time you saw this project. But how do we continue now? My dear viewers, today I would like to do the original hairstyle of the ponytail again. Let me show you in some quick steps how to do it. And the first step we do now is combing the hair with a little bit of water from my spray bottle. Just plain water. Once around the head. It's no problem to separate all the streaks. And when we are done with the water, we use a little pot of handmade linseed gel to get After combing her approximately 20 minutes, she's ready now to get her ponytail again. My dear viewers, I managed it again. My hands were in the way again, so I have to. I want to show you how this works for the ponytail, but we have to use another doll because my ways were in the way again, so that you were not able to see what I'm doing. So don't worry, we do this again. And by the way, you should be able to see this now. So we have the doll here. I simply put the rubber around her ponytail. This one is of course way thicker and way longer than the original ponytail, the vintage ones. So you do this. It's easier when you use a bigger rubber band. So now we have it here. About this height, you have to keep in mind that the old ones are not rerouted in the middle, so you have to cover the head with the hair, which I don't have to do here. So, and now we come from here, we wrap around there, and then we simply have to push it into, push it so that we can cover our rubber band with whatever we have at home. We can use a bobby pin for lifting our rubber band up, and then with the help we can just what you have at home. Use what you have at home. Don't buy anything. We can use and then we simply get the streak, and normally it would be a bit nicer but that's basically the technique you do. I think I have to redo it again because it's not very beautiful, but that's basically the technique. You can only use one of the rubber bands streaks. You don't have to go under both, you can only use one of them, that's also enough. Yeah, and I hope you understand what I've done now, although you have not really seen what I've done. I can fix this a little bit, that's not so much the problem. It's not the most beautiful ponytail, but I think you understand what I've done in the video. Thanks for watching, my dear viewers. Hope you stay tuned in for my next videos. Like, subscribe, and share if you like. See you in the next weeks. Your Busybfromgermany. Bye.